Hi, hello, friends and family. I believe that you can spend at least 30 minutes a day, spend with the kids to teach them, guide them on AI. Okay, so today is our day 4. We are going to start now. Please join us.
Hi. Hi.
Hello, how are you today?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay. We learned yesterday.
We learn about data.
What is data?
Data is all the things like speaking, coloring, text, new sound,
Some more?
speaking, writing,
So everything. So you generate data
numbers.
today.
Huh?
How many? What kind of data you generate today?
Exercise, numbers. Then
What
writing,
numbers?
like
What
how
numbers?
many steps you do, how many minutes, what time, writing, reading,
All right. Okay.
eating, drinking.
Okay. So today topic is what is virtual assistant. So do you know what is virtual assistant?
No.
So virtual assistants are to help the human in many ways. Okay. Like in terms of voice or in terms of interact with the users. Okay. Like chat. So you try to ask any questions, those assistants can actually help you to directly talk to you. In the phone, you heard of Siri or
Yeah.
Google, also
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, Android phone also we talk about. Sometimes we talk, ask questions, right? ChatGPT we ask questions, right?
Yeah.
So all are considered as virtual assistant. Okay? Virtual assistant is very important in nowadays where it also uses AI, artificial intelligence. So virtual assistants comes in many different forms. Okay? Some are voice based, some are text based. Day-to-day life also we every day depend on that. One good example is my phone. Okay? Android as well as iPhone comes with that. Do you know any other virtual assistants example?
Alexa.
Alexa, yes, of course, Alexa. And sometimes we also use in the car when we driving.
Camera.
Camera, yes, can be a virtual assistant. That dash cam, right? So it will tells
Traffic
you
light.
when you change the, when you deviate from the line or lane, okay, when you move from the lane
Traffic
or
light.
any other comes in. Traffic light is not considered a assistant, but Waze, GPS, okay, it will
Google
tells
Map.
you the, it tells you Google Map, it tells you the real-time traffic situations, right? So is there any traffic police is there or any traffic camera is there? So all are considered virtual assistant or we call it as VA. Okay? So VA actually helps in many ways. Okay? Sometimes it can be in health related. So some are can help you on to monitor your health, okay, daily. Some apps actually helps in monitoring the water intake, right? Mommy use water. Some apps every 2 hours, 3 hours it will pop up or it will make notification that oh you need to drink water. So alert. Right? So those are all virtual assistant. It it has many different types. Okay? The virtual assistance comes with many different forms and some with, as I mentioned, some it can be you can now using AI we can actually generate a clone of a person. Clone in a sense looks like you in terms of character. It looks like, and then you can also answer something similar to you. Okay, we can simulate the brain and that how I am talking, I can create a clone and that clone can represent me. Means it's like my voice, it can follow my voice, it can follow like how I think or how I see the world, all that. So there are so many virtual assistants coming up nowadays using artificial intelligence. So we categorize as some are sound, some are text. Text in a sense, for example, ChatGPT or Google, Gemini. Right? There are so many other things. Bing also come with Microsoft also come with Copilot.
Bing?
So
What is Bing?
Copilot.
What is Bing?
Bing is a search, but it uses AI. Okay, it's a Microsoft one, something similar to Google. Okay, so all are considered virtual assistant. Do you know now what is a virtual assistant or VA? Yeah. So how that VA helps?
Have to assist human,
And
assist human with their question.
only questions in many different forms. Not only just in questions, but in many different forms. Right? Hello, parents. So, do you ask your kids to identify some of those VA or virtual assistants in their daily life? Right? So, take this as a task and ask them to identify some of these VA which they are aware of or which they are familiar with. Okay? And that's all about today's session. Make it short today, and we will see you again tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, parents. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.